How can I determine if Apache is installed on a system? I have linuxmint on my computer, but I don't know how to find out whether Apache 2 is on it or where it is actually installed. I run my web browser, PHP installed, with http://localhost as a URL and it works.
I would recommend. It lists all installed packages that contain Apache in their name. For example, it indicates that the package Apache 2 is installed on the system. Another approach to find any running HTTP daemon on the default port would be, which lists something like
Try the which command. In my experience, the Apache binary is located in /user/thin on most installations.
To check whether if Apache is running or not, the status, type at the command line.
As I recall, Mint is based on Ubuntu, so you should be able to check apt cache policy Apache 2. In this case, you can see it's not installed on my system. If you haven't asked for it to be installed, it's probably not. I doubt it's part of the default distribution.
If you want to watch the channel, please leave a sub.